Hello, Form 5 Science Video number 19 for Chapter 4第4课 How are you? 几时要来补习 Okay, our title Natural Rubber 天然胶 Okay, now this is what we call latex 橡胶质 or this is a rubber tree 橡胶树 Right. So natural rubber is a natural polymer that is obtained from rubber tree天然胶就是一种 natural polymer 天然的大型分子 and the tree originate from Brazil 这种树呢来自 Brazil 巴西 okay or somebody bring the tree come to Malaysia Henry okay I forget natural rubber is formed from the isoprene monomer highlight this word your answer pass here isoprene monomer with the molecular formula C5H8 forget it 不要背Okay, and has the following properties. 它有以下的特征。Number one, 第一个 soft and elastic， 橡胶软软的。Elastic mean 有弹性了。Okay, elastic 有弹性。But what's mean by elastic? Elastic in science 在科学里面呢 ，elastic means if you stretch it， 如果你拉它，拉久久。And after you release it， 当你放手的时候 ，they go back to the original range， 它回去原本的长度 ，not become longer。不会变长才叫有弹性 Okay, so natural rubber is stretchable, easily stretchable 很容易被拉 Okay, but when you release it, it may be a bit become longer 有一点点变长 So even it is elastic 虽然有一点弹性不过它弹性不是很好 Okay, next does not conduct electricity 不能导电 Okay, 当然了Next, cannot withstand the heat and become sticky when heated. 它不能耐高温 and become sticky when heated. Okay, 你烧它，它变成热 Okay, 然后暖暖黏黏 Okay, so that's why our car tire 汽车的 tire they are not made up of 100% natural rubber. 它不是天然胶做的 Okay, 100% I say Okay, or why if you park your car beside the road.If the sunlight is strong, okay, and finally your natural rubber melt and your car stick on the floor, 你的车粘在地上，对啊。Next, number 4, become hard and brittle when cool, okay? When you put them into the freezer, 放进冰橱 they're going to become hard, 变成很硬 and finally you just bend it, 它断了 become brittle, 变成很脆 okay? And soluble only in organic solvents.Okay, soluble only in organic solvent. 它溶解在有机溶酶 such as chloroform and benzene. So natural rubber actually is organic. So that's why it just dissolve in the organic solvent. 只溶解在有机溶酶了 Okay, for example, chloroform, benzene. But what's mean by chloroform and benzene? By any example, 什么 example? So they say this is your bottle.Okay, and now you put a sticker here Okay, 张大雄 yeah? So one day when you remove the sticker you become sticky here it will become somewhere become sticky 黏黏 So using your hand you rub and finally it become black color 变成黑漆 So how to remove the rubber here the sticky material here simple You have to using benzene Okay, 溶掉橡胶的东西喷药水But normally using saliva 你用口水What's mean by chloroform? 哥罗峰 is a liquid okay, obtained from petroleum 从石油提炼出来的一种液体 okay, chloroform chloroform 通常要给你晕掉了盖着你的鼻子你就晕掉了的 chloroform benzene still the same extracted from petroleum 从石油提炼出来的一种液体来的 okay? Next, latex 现在我们看橡胶质 latex okay? So when you cut the rubber tree, 你割橡胶树 the latex will be flow-ups. And remember, latex is not rubber. Okay, latex 叫橡胶质 rubber 是橡胶 rubber is solid, 它是固体的 latex is liquid. But why the latex is liquid? 为什么是 latex 呢？它是液体的呢 Okay, you draw on your notes. 先画在你的 notes. Page number what? I don't know. You 自己 check 一下。Okay, finish your drawing. 搞定了 Okay. So why latex? They are liquids. 为什么橡胶质它是液体的呢 Simple. Okay. Where's the rubber polymer? 那个 rubber 的 polymer 在哪里呢？那 they are here. 这些一条一条 they are called rubber polymer. So if you look at the latex actually having the rubber polymer. Okay, but the rubber polymer actually is covered by a layer of membranes. 它有一层的膜呢包着它。This is a layer of protein membranes. Okay, so all the rubber polymer, they are covered by this layer of membrane called protein membrane. But the protein membranes, okay, actually they carry the charge and the charge negative, and all of them actually having the same charge, but the same charge repel. 同样的 charge 呢互相排斥。Okay, so protein membrane carry the electric charge negative, and they push one another, they repel one another, so they cannot join together. 它不能粘在一起 and become the solid rubber， 然后变成固体的橡胶。Okay, so how to make the latex become rubber？ 怎样把橡胶质变成橡胶呢？ Okay, any method? So now we go to the title called coagulation of latex， 橡胶质凝固。Okay, 40 years ago, 40年前 when I was a child, 小时候啦。Okay, my father actually cutting the rubber tree. 我爸爸是割橡胶的。Okay, and when we sell the rubber must be in the form of solid. 你卖橡胶的时候啊 they will be in the form of rubber sheet. 一片一片的橡胶硬块。So how to make the latex become the rubber? 怎样把橡胶质变成硬化的固体的橡胶呢？Okay, this is the rubber sheet， 一片一片的橡胶硬块。How to make it？ 到底怎样做呢 ？Simple. Okay. So sometime during the mornings, maybe 6 a.m. 6点早上左右 ，my mom will carry me behind the bicycle。我妈妈呢就载我去橡胶园 ，Why？ 她要去帮忙割橡胶，家里没有人，我就在脚车后面。Okay，and behind me， 在脚车后面的我的后面呢 ，they having thousands of mosquito， 百万只蚊子一直追着我。Okay, so when I go to the rubber estates, I sleep there 啦，我就在那边睡觉。My mom go to cut the rubber together with my father 啦。Okay, so almost 10 a.m. 早上10点11点左右 ，they collect the latex， 他们收集到橡胶质 ，and they pour the latex into the mold or the container， 他把橡胶质放进这些 mold 里面。Okay, and now they add something. Okay.They add something inside the latex, and the thing is called vinegar. 那个东西呢就叫橡胶醋 vinegar， 不是我们吃的 vinegar， 它是专门用来倒进去的橡胶醋。Okay, so what happened after they pour the vinegar? It's just a bit only 一点点 but into the latex. Okay, within 5 minutes plus minus 5分钟左右 ，the latex going to coagulate and become the solid. 橡胶质就凝固变成固体了。Okay, so now you pour it up， 你把它倒出来 and step on the rubber， 你在上面踏 and make it become thinner， 踏到它扁扁收啦。Okay, so now the rubber sheet pass through the machine here using the machine and you grind it 啦，你这样子磨 ，Okay， 你这样子搅它一下 and finally they will become the rubber sheet， 就变成了一片一片的橡胶硬块。And now when you go back, the rubber sheet will be behind the bicycle. And what happened to me？ 然后我怎么办？I run behind the bicycle 啦，我在脚车后面一直追着回家。Okay, so why when you add the acid, latex become coagulate？ 为什么你加了酸液啊 ，latex 呢就凝固呢 ？Okay, so draw slowly on your note, very slowly， 画一下，画在你的 notes 的那个大大的格子里面。So the action of acid on the latex， 橡胶质加了酸液过后 ，what going to happen？ 什么事情会发生呢 ？Draw first。对不起，OK， 好了没有 ？Simple. So the rubber polymer, they are inside the protein membrane that carry the negative charge, and because of the same charge, they repel one another. 它们互相的排斥 ，so this is the latex. And when you add acid， 你把 acid 呢丢进去，不要丢了，倒下去，好好倒 ，OK。And what we have inside the acid？ acid 里面有什么东西呢 ？It contains hydrogen ions。它有一种镓的离子叫 hydrogen ion。Acid is special. Acid actually is corrosive. Acid 它能腐蚀人，对不对 ？It's just because of this hydrogen ion， 因为这个离子非常活跃，它喜欢起反应了。OK，so after you add the acid, hydrogen ion going to neutralize the negative charge protein membrane. 它把 protein membrane 上面的 negative charge neutral 掉去了。So when the protein membrane become neutral, they not repel one another. 它们不再排斥了，对不对 ？So they correct， 它们互相相撞。They correct one another, and finally the protein membrane break open. 那一层膜呢就打开去了。Okay, so protein membrane break open, 它打开了。Okay, and when the protein membrane break open, what happened to the rubber polymer? The rubber polymer, they will fuse together, 缠在一起。They join together, okay, they clamp together, and finally become the solid rubber 啦，就变成了固体的橡胶。Okay, so this is what happened, or this is where the solid rubber come from. 固体的橡胶从哪里来 ？Okay.So now, copy on your notes. You're having a box like this, 对不对？你有一个 box， 左手跟右手的这边啊，这边啊 ，OK， left hand side. The action of acid on the latex. OK, acid 加在橡胶质过后 ，what happens？ 什么事情会发生 ？Copy slowly. Your answer. The positive charge hydrogen ion from the acid neutralize the negatively charged.Okay, at the protein membrane of the rubber particle. Acid the hydrogen ion 加 neutral 掉 protein membrane the negative charge. Okay, so when the protein membrane become neutral, what happened? The protein membrane correct one another. Protein membranes break open 打开 Okay, and the long chain polymer particle fuse 就结合Okay, and coins with one another to form the solid clamps. 它就结合，然后缠在一起，变成了硬块橡胶，变成了那个硬化橡胶了。Okay, 比较硬的橡胶。Copy. Okay, next. But today, if you cut a rubber tree, 今天主要你是割橡胶的。Okay, and what you want to sell?What you sell today actually is not the solid rubber, you know. You're selling the latex. 你直接呢卖橡胶制罢了 and not the solid rubber. Okay? Or when your rubber becomes solid, look like this. 如果你的橡胶质something very funny. For latex, if you don't go to crack it 啦，你割了橡胶过后，你不要去收它。After 5 to 6 hours， 5-6小时过后 ，the latex going to coagulate itself， 它自己凝固的 ，and become the solid rubber. And tomorrow morning when you come， 明天早上你来的时候 ，you have to dig up 啦，你要把它挖出来。Or this is a second class rubber， you know， 第二级的橡胶了 ，the price will be lower， 价钱比较低。And this is what we call the sheet of rubber， 球泥塞啦 ，OK， 他们叫球泥塞。So。Why the latex can coagulate itself and become the solid? Simple. Acid from the bacteria coagulate the latex. So in the air, it contains a lot of bacteria. 空气中的 bacteria, they fall into the latex. 它掉进橡胶质里面。They produce acid inside the latex. 它在橡胶质里面呢放出 acid. So the acid coagulate the latex slowly, about 6 hours, 6个小时左右了。Okay. So, or another meaning, how to prevent?How to prevent the latex coagulate? 怎样防止橡胶质凝固呢 ？So you can sell the latex immediately 啦。You collect the latex， 你收集橡胶质，别人家就在你的眼旁边等你了，那你直接卖给他 ，get your money， 直接拿到钱，何乐不为 ？But how to prevent the latex from coagulations？ 怎么办呢？add what？ 加什么 acid 啊 ？acid sorry cannot add alkalines 加碱性的东西 alkaline like what？ ammonia 啦。So the action of alkaline on the latex. So if you add alkaline solution on the latex, what happened to your latex? Okay, the coagulation of latex can be prevented by adding the ammonia solution inside. Always mean by ammonia solution. One of the example of alkaline, 它就是一种碱性的液体，不强的液体来的。But why adding alkaline like ammonia can prevent the coagulation of latex? 可以防止橡胶质凝固呢 ？Simple. 那答案在这边。The negatively charged hydroxide ions from the ammonia, okay, ammonia solution neutralize the hydrogen ion from the acid that's produced by the bacteria. Okay, so latex is exposed to the air, bacteria fall into the latex. Bacteria produce acid. But if you add a little bit of ammonia, 你加一点点的 ammonia or alkaline solutions, it contains negative charged hydrogen ion. Okay, hydroxide ion 里面呢有一种碱的 charge， 也叫做 hydroxide 了。Or certain book maybe they call this as hydroxyl. 有些书呢把这个离子呢称为 hydroxyl. Okay, 碱的离子。So the hydroxide ion is negative charge neutralize the positive charge from the acid. 它把 acid 的 positive charge neutral 掉。So the latex maintain in liquid. 它保持在液体状态。Okay, so this is the reason. 这就是为什么现在橡胶质它可以不用凝固。Okay. Okay, our next slide will be talk about vulcanization of rubber. 什么叫 vulcanization? 硫化橡胶 add sulfur 加硫磺给它。Why? Next video. Bye bye, temporarily.